Hi, my name is Hayden from the Food Miles Matter Group, and today, some things I did for my project was I cleaned out my aquaponics system in our garden, and as you see here, we have tilapia that produce waste, and I cleaned out that waste by using a vacuum with our tube and water. Some skills that I learned is when we clean out the aquaponics system, it helps the fish clean their tank, but it also grows our plants and fresh from the garden, so we can bring it to our cafeteria. Nate, Ryan, and Maddie helped me along with this project by filming and other things too. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook at Food Miles Matter. Thank you for watching.